is this? Oh, I fell asleep again. Hi, everybody, it's me, Mr. Dolphin. Well, hello, Mr. Dolphin. Now that is a mighty big yawn. It happens when I'm tired. Oh, is that what we're talking about today? Being sleepy is not easy, but there's some things that you can notice about it. All right, do you want to share it with everyone? What can you notice when you're sleepy? First of all, you'll start to yawn. Okay, so notice some yawning. What else? If you hear this noise, and what would that be? Snoring. Oh, snoring. So look for yawning. Listen for snoring. What else can I pay attention to? Pew! What is that? Morning breath. Oh, so some stinky morning breath. That might happen if you stay up really late or sleep until the afternoon. I did today. I was sleepy. Okay, so pay attention to how long you're sleeping. Your yawns, obviously your morning breath. And then, of course, listen for snoring. So, okay, those are some signs of being sleepy. Anything else? Nope, time for my nap. Are you really going to sleep right there on my keyboard? Yep. Oh boy. All right, I've been keyboard hijacked. Hey, everybody. Look for those signs if you're yawning, you have morning breath, you're snoring, or if you're just kind of feeling really tired and maybe even your words get a little jumbly, it can be a sign that you're getting sleepy. It's okay. I guess Mr. Dolphin right here needs some more sleep. Oh boy. Now he's snoring again. All right. I guess he's going to use this for his time. All right. Say goodbye to everyone. Bye. And I will say goodbye too.